Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add song on Instagram post. So first of all, open Instagram account, click on the plus icon for the post, click on the right corner, next, and tap onto music icon and select your favorite music. Next, and finally click on to share, then automatically share with song on Instagram post. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial reviewer channel for more video.